This is Blindy. Hi, Blindy. Yeah. Let's do a little updated property tour. So, trees are coming up. Neighbors. Here's my sign. And let's go this way. Lilac tree. Deer got to it. Scotch pine. There's Scotch pine. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. It's about 65 degrees. November 16th, 2022. Look at my roses. I got some late bloomers. Alright, let's go take a look at the roses. Deer got into these ones pretty good here, but there's a few ready to come. Yellow ones. Red ones. One's coming along. There's more down on this side. All along the front. Christmas lights all around the perimeter. Looking back up towards the mountain. Big redwoods. 30-acre lake right across the street. And I'll go wet a line, catch a trout. More roses. Beautiful roses. Gunshots in the background. Beautiful roses. This one's going off. Charles, shoot, this one's for you. Late bloomers. Look at these roses just going off. I got tulips in the ground up here, don't tell anybody. Down here on the end. Look at this little guy. Beautiful. Black crows. Got my deer in the yard. Let's go around the backside. These are all pear trees, cherry trees, apple trees, four-way apple. Still gotta put that post up. New paint. Do some trimming. Coming into the backyard. A little wood pile, big walnut tree, apple tree in the back. Gotta get in and trim these guys. Got a fire pit back there. Main fire pit. Nesting boxes inside. It's the old chicken coop. Boat for wreck next year. This one's a project boat. And the girls have had breakfast. Keep going. Stack of wood. Burn at my wood pile. There's my baby girl. Here's Speed Bump. Hi, baby. Yeah. Pretty girl. Yeah. So nice we get to come out in the sun. Here's a little side yard. This is a main garden area back here too. Garden this one out really nice. Soil's real good back here. Asparagus beds, lettuce, chard, everything's still coming up. And there we go.